welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tessa, or Tesa.ma on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's right here. Go do it now. I'ma wait. So today I have a quick little tutorial on this makeup look for today. I was kind of inspired by a trio palette or quadruple palette that I found, and yeah, it just had really nice colors and I was inspired, so I thought I would do a spring look for you guys since it's a beautiful day outside and it's been really nice weather to be at home. But yeah, just go ahead and keep watching. Make sure you hit the video with a big thumbs up, comment below what you think, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So I recently found this little palette and I just got inspired by it because it was so cute and I found it amidst my stuff. I barely used it. It has this cute little color scheme of pinks and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and do something with this.
Remember I was pulling up in the van. You know I take her so when she riding. The singers all kids, so shining on the drop it low like a limo. Now we take it like a limo. Gotta make that hair cut, she don't need no clothes. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. buy you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the red bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. You want your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the Faux. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty too, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, make sure you go ahead and ring that post notification bell so you never miss another video. And if you do, go ahead and put on your notification bell. Make sure to let me know in the comment section so I can go ahead and choose you for a notification shout out. Today's shout out goes to Creative Garage. That's CRE, the number 8, TIVE Garage, no space. Make sure you go ahead and check out that channel. That is Biga's channel. They're so close to hitting their 1,000th subscribers, so make sure you guys go and check them out. Show some love, let them know I sent you, say hey to Supa, and yeah, just enjoy the car that they have. Make sure you comment below once you turn on your post notifications, and yeah, you could be a lucky person. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.
In the valley, you know I take it so when she riding.